Single-serve K-Cup coffee maker for K-Cup pods and ground coffee. Compact design thermal drip instant coffee machine brewer. 2-in-1 strength control and self-cleaning function by Gloridea. Dual option for brewing. Some days you may prefer to add a flavored K-Cup, while other days you may prefer to use more economical ground coffee beans. This innovative coffee machine will allow you to do either. 2 button options allow you to easily choose between these 2 coffee brewing styles. Easy to use, fast brewing. The quick brew has you sipping your cup of joe in 3 minutes. That's right, fill the oversized tank with water, insert a K-Cup, or pour in grounds, hit go, and by the time you've selected a mug, your coffee is piping hot. Auto cleaning and auto turn off function make it easier to make coffee. Space saver brewer. Slim and compact for RV travel, hotel, desk or tiny house kitchen counter. Have a small apartment or a tiny break room in your warehouse? We have your solution for making delicious coffee in tight places. Control your coffee strength and cup size. Easy to customize for strong and dark coffee, just add less water. The water adjustment function 6, 8, 10 or 14 ounces allows you to control how much coffee you want to brew to save expensive grounds. The removable tray fits large mugs. When you need a quick cup on your way out the door, make a little. When you're enjoying time with a good book, make a huge cup. Make coffee the way you like it. 100% satisfaction with lifetime service. Gloridea hopes that this personal single-serve coffee maker will meet all your brewing needs. If you have any problem, confusion, or dissatisfaction, contact us without any reason for a new one or money back. We will offer our best service to resolve within 24 hours. With this level of purchase protection combined with our feature-rich coffee brewer, click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.